Namaskar everyone, this is Chef Praveen Jha, and today we will make a mushroom tomato masala. So for mushroom is very good food and good for heart and immune boosting food, and good to go for all antioxidant in that. So for mushroom tomato masala, we have a list of some very simple homemade ingredients. We have coriander powder, chili powder, asafoetida, green chili, chopped garlic, chopped ginger, cumin, salt, turmeric, curry leaves, mustard seeds, cilantro, and fresh mushroom, and roasted tomato chopped, and chopped onion, some olive oil and plain oil. So first I will start with sauteing mushroom, and sauteing mushroom, it will take around 2-3 minutes, and let people come. So let people come, and then I will start within a minute, and good to go. We'll add some olive oil first, 2 spoons of olive oil, two spoons of normal oil, let them heat, then add some, I will add some asafoetida, hing, some mustard seeds, and curry leaves. After that, adding mushroom, is very good food, and it's very easy to cook, and especially we people avoid the mushroom at home, but it's not like that. Some people like mushroom very much, and it's very good for health. That's why I choose this recipe, because this is again immune booster ingredients. We'll add some turmeric, some red chili powder, bit of salt, to cook mushroom in the slow heat, you can say, or a medium heat you can also apply, but not at a high flame. Mushroom, there is many varieties of mushroom. There is potavela mushroom, taurine mushroom, fungus, fungi, and many more. I am using fresh button mushroom, shiitake also, but some of the mushroom are not good for cooking purpose. But make sure before you make any mushroom preparation, you wash mushroom very nicely in a hygienic way, because this is a contaminated food as well. Mushroom is very good in contamination, and it affects very badly if you deteriorate it. So this is almost, it will take one more minute. This is done. So I already cooked mushroom. Next I will prepare tomato masala. For tomato masala, I have chopped roasted tomatoes. You can use plain tomatoes as well, but I prefer to use roasted tomatoes whenever I am cooking mushroom. And same oil is your choice, because I prefer to cook vegan food only. So I don't use much of butter and all. I use oil and vegan food only. No any cruelty food. Some oil I am adding in this. I mix some olive oil as well with normal oil, so it gives some shiny texture and looks fresh. Add some cumin. Ginger, chopped ginger, fresh ginger, 1 big tablespoon chopped garlic, chopped green chili, mix well. Let them make it translucent. If you want to eat spicy one, you can add extra green chili and all. You add onion. Let them cook for 2-3 minutes. By the time I am adding some Indian spices in this. Some red chili. I like the product spicy one, especially mushroom and all. Coriander powder. Some turmeric. Cook for 2 more minutes. Let the masala all cook well. I'm not using any cream and all in this because I prefer to use vegan, I had said earlier. So this is almost done. Now I am adding roasted tomatoes. Use plain tomatoes also if you want, but I am using oven roasted texture and taste. Let it cook for 2-3 minutes. You can cover it also if you want to make it early, you don't have time, you are in hurry. You can cover it as well. So let it cook for 2 minutes. Stir it occasionally. I'm adding some water in this, 2 tablespoons of water. Hi folks, there was some connectivity concern. Was interrupted in between. As I described earlier, first I prepared a mushroom, then masala with tomato. While I prepared mushroom, I added curry leaves, asafoetida, and mustard seeds in that. After cooking 5 minutes, later I prepared a masala by adding some oil, olive oil and a normal cooking oil with chopped ginger, garlic, green chili, cumin leaves, Indian spices like red chili powder, coriander powder and turmeric. By adding little bit of water, I make it even some ghee in this. So connectivity was some concern in this, and now I already explained. So after cooking, this is almost done. This is almost done, and it can go good with any kind of Indian roti preparation or any rice preparation. It's hardly take 10 to 15 minutes. This is ready, and I am going to serve this. See, its aroma is very nice just because of emulgation of curry leaves, asafoetida, cumin, and olive oil. Good to go, and we are adding some coriander leaves as a garnish. So this is a mushroom tomato masala. It's a vegan preparation, and I hope you enjoyed the recipe. And there was some connectivity concern in between, and really apologizing for that. And enjoy your day and try this recipe at your home. So thanks for watching.